Good afternoon, everybody. I'm here with my next YouTube video. I'm going to be creating a grape blackberry smoothie. So the first step, we add the juice. It's going to be the orange juice. We add the juice here. Enough to have about 800 milliliters. That's about enough. Then you add the next softest ingredients, which should be, as you can see, the blackberries and the grapes. These are red grapes. These are blackberries. So we add here. Then we add the protein. So we have yogurt here, and we have, as you can see, I have dates, and we have chia seeds. So add those next, like so. So you add two. That was the 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 2 tablespoons of light yogurt, and 1 large date. Then we add the honey, like so. If you want more sweetness in it, then you put on the ice. You want to add maybe 20 ice cubes. On both of ice cubes, as you can see here. And you start the blender. As you can see here, add the smoothies. And you need to make sure that you don't leave the blender unattended. can see this should be enough for about 3 servings or 4 servings. Now, today I used plastic plates because of the small accident that I had. So I guess it's better off to use plastic plates rather than glass. And that's it. And well, thank you. And if you like this, please subscribe. Thank you.